Types of fundamental analysis, Part 2. Quantitative analysis. Definition. Quantitative analysis involves assessing measurable and numerical data, primarily from a company's financial statements, to evaluate its financial performance. Basic steps. Financial statements analysis. Review the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Analyze revenue trends, expenses, and profit margins. Ratio analysis. Calculate and analyze key financial ratios, such as liquidity ratios, e.g., current ratio, assess the company's short-term financial health. Profitability ratios, e.g., net profit margin, evaluate the company's ability to generate profits. Leverage ratios, e.g., debt-to-equity ratio, assess the level of financial leverage. Efficiency ratios, e.g., inventory turnover, evaluate operational efficiency. Earnings per share, ypes. Analyze the growth and stability of earnings per share. Consider the impact of outstanding shares and potential dilution. Cash flow analysis. Evaluate the company's ability to generate cash from its operating activities. Assess the quality of earnings by analyzing cash flow from operations. Valuation ratios. Calculate and analyze valuation ratios, including the price to earnings (PE) ratio and price to book (PB) ratio. Compare these ratios with industry benchmarks. Advanced steps. Discounted cash flow (DCF) analysis. Estimate the intrinsic value of a company by discounting future cash flows. Consider the time value of money and determine a fair value for the stock. DuPont analysis. Break down the return on equity, ROE, into its components to identify sources of profitability. Analyze the impact of profit margin, asset turnover, and financial leverage. Comparative analysis. Compare the company's financial performance with industry peers and competitors. Use benchmarking to identify areas of strength or weakness. Quality of earnings. Assess the quality of reported earnings by examining accounting practices. Look for signs of aggressive revenue recognition or one-time adjustments. Risk analysis. Evaluate financial risk by analyzing factors such as interest coverage ratio and financial leverage. Consider macroeconomic factors that may impact the company's financial stability. In summary, qualitative and quantitative analyses are integral components of fundamental analysis. While qualitative analysis provides insights into the qualitative aspects of a company and its environment, quantitative analysis involves a deep dive into the company's financial statements and performance metrics. Both approaches are valuable for investors seeking a comprehensive understanding of a company's investment potential. Subscribe to our channel for more updates.